We will talk about a new topic, and that is how to make an Islamic account in XM Broker House. One of the most popular broker in Asia offers Islamic account. In other words, there you will get swap-free account, and you can take this advantage if you want. So let's see how to make an Islamic account without wasting time. So hello viewers, I am an official member of ForexBD. I hope you all are well. In today's video, we will discuss about some topic. First one is how to make an Islamic account. Then second one is what are the benefit of an Islamic account, and lastly the benefit of this broker. So let me say at the beginning that in order to have an Islamic account with this broker, you must first have an account here. However, before making an account, don't forget to use this link of ForexBD. When making any type of account, you must use the link given in the description of this video. This will keep your account secure at all time. You can trade at lowest spread. You can quickly verify your account with just an ID card. You can participate in any types of contest or offer. So create your account immediately by the link given in the description. After the account is verified, then your first job is done. Then here is how to do Islamic account. For that, first you will log in to your account. After logging in, you will see an option called account above. Click there once, then you will see many options, out of which there is an option called Islamic account. So you click here. After clicking, a new page will appear. Here the benefit of using an Islamic account. As mentioned here, the XM broker has a 100% swap-free account according to Islamic rules. And also there is no interest here. That means absolutely swap-free account is given. No spread, no commission. Then here you are getting the benefit of trading in accordance with the principle of Islamic law. So to create an Islamic account, tick mark in the below, then click on submit option. A request will go to the XM broker house. Then within 24 hours, your account will be under Islamic account. From then, you will be able to trade in accordance with Islamic principle. Although it does not take 24 hours, in a short time they make Islamic account. From then, everything in your account will be according to Islamic rules and regulation. From your trade to commission will be in accordance with Islamic Sharia law. And when your account is converted to an Islamic account, they will immediately notify you by email. They will notify you of the email you used to open the account. So surely you have understood that it's very easy to do Islamic account here. So if you like it, that is if you want to work in accordance with Islamic principle, then this broker is good option for you. If you want, you can have an Islamic account before depositing, or you can have an Islamic account after depositing. However, in order to have an Islamic account, your account must be verified. After verifying the account, you can send a request for an Islamic account. No need to worry. Verifying the account here is a very simple task. We have discussed in many videos about this issue. Here you can verify the account with just an ID card. No bank statement, no electricity copy is required anymore. And the account is verified very short time. This is very easy, which we have shown in previous video. Those who have not seen it must see it. After seeing the video, you can verify your account very easily. And once verified, then just go to the Islamic account option as we have shown and send a request. In a short time, your account will be converted to an Islamic account. So we have been discussing for so long how to do Islamic account and then what are the benefits of Islamic account. I hope you have understood, and I hope you will be able to create your own Islamic account from here and take advantage of Islamic account. Now let's discuss the benefit of this broker. Let me say one thing before that, those who don't subscribe our ForexBD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's take a look. First of all, this broker is one of the best broker in Asia and widely known in the world. Moreover, there have many facilities in this broker. For example, you are getting the facilities to verify the whole account with just an ID card. There is the facilities of live chat with your own language. There is the facilities of instant account verification, and the biggest thing here is that you are getting the benefit of local deposit. In other words, you can deposit through bank. and instantly. Then you can trade here without any worries. Another thing to keep in mind is that the ultra low account here is very good for trading. This account allows you to trade at very low spread. Then why are you waiting for? Moreover, different type of contests are organized here. If you have an account under the Forex BDC link, then you can take advantage of all the benefit and you can participate in all the contests. Then create your account under the Forex BDC link, then you will get the benefit. Many places require a payment gateway to make a deposit. You all know how much trouble in other payment gateway like Neteller and Skrill. But in this broker, you don't need any payment gateway. So there is no need bank statement or payment gateway. So if you want, you can make an account now, verify it now and make a deposit now. Then I hope you understand how much benefit you are getting here. Then I hope you have no more problem. Even then, if you have any question, don't forget to comment. ForexBD will try the level best to be by your side. And how to make a local deposit, how to withdraw it again and bring it money in your hand, everything we have discussed in this video. There we have discussed everything in details. Those who are interested must see this video. So viewers, I hope you understand about this broker, and this broker is very good and here you get many benefits. So immediately create an account under the Forex BDC link. And last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use Forex BDC link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under Forex BDC link. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.